Good evening, everybody. Once again, now this is the class 2 of the series of the educational classes I'm planning to take is after this, I think so my next class won't be possible before first week of December. I will try to take in November, but there's a lot of traveling. I'm traveling to Jaipur recently in coming days, and then I'm traveling to Kaziranga. So the chances of me taking classes are not very high. In the first class, we have
Sir, when
covered.
to Jaipur? Sorry,
Sir, coming on 13th and leaving on 16th.
13 to 16. Okay, sir. I will meet you there.
पक्का हमारी conference है. I'm there in Jaipur only.
Bilkul, sir. Okay.
So we in our first class covered on candlesticks, blending of candlesticks. Then how to make a candlestick out of 3 or 5 candles at an important level. Now the next thing what we are going to learn is how to mark support and resistance. I will first show you how to do it on candlesticks, and then I will teach you the easiest way to do it, but it takes a little longer as compared to a normal candlestick. But once you start practicing again and again, आपके लिए बहुत easy हो जाएगा. It will become very easy. See, I also learned this way, so I kept on doing that way. And see, these chart parameters tools are of great importance to us. They will give us a lot of information. Now, before I start anything can anybody tell me what does this pattern looks like? Before I start
cup and handle.
Yes, excellent, ma'am. And if a breakout happens, what are we looking at? Target?
Around 30,000.
Yeah. So don't get perturbed by these red candles. So long as this low of 24,300 is maintained, we are looking at a bigger target now. And there is a statement by Trump today evening. Markets will hit record highs now. Now just try to understand the last 3 candles, what you have here. Though it is looking like a gravestone kind of your doji is, tomorrow closing becomes very important. If it closes within the candle, we are heading for a breakout, more or less. So we may come down. If we break 24,300 level, we will see this level coming. Now let's see how you mark support and resistance. So there are some cardinal rules. Higher time frame, the stronger support and resistance. Okay, now let's not do this part. Let me take it off. Now, what is a support and what is a resistance? आप अपने घर में, you are sitting in your house. You are seated right on what is known as floor. So the floor is the support. Is the support. Your roof is your resistance. This is for somebody who is staying in the ground floor पे. ठीक है, अगर आप ground floor पे हो. But for anybody who is staying on the first floor, this support roof resistance is actually the support. It's the floor for him. And this is the resistance for him. For somebody, it is the roof is the resistance. For a person standing here, this is the resistance. But a person standing here, this is the resistance and this is the floor. So ऐसे ही breakouts happen in our stock market. A stock price which is trading somewhere here will go up till here and then come down in like dancing fashion, any way it can come down. So because this point is a resistance, and this is where the buyers are sitting and here sellers are sitting. It will again move here, go up, come down here. So this is where profit booking happens. This is where you enter a trade. But one fine day, एक ऐसा दिन आएगा, it will break the support, take support here, and then this becomes its resistance. So ये concept, this is the concept of support and resistance. A thing which is a resistance today will become a support for future. Now, if you see about your Nifty daily charts, I'm just showing you an example. So what happened in Nifty? This is on daily chart. ये नीचे से आया, it broke this thing, played here, went up till this place, came dancing down, went up, went up, went up, and it is broken and came at this spot. Now, tomorrow's candle is going to be important. If it's green, it may start dancing and start an upward journey. Or if it breaks down, it will come up to this level very easily. So this is support. This is resistance. Now breakout has happened. So the resistance becomes support. And from the place it is going to fall back down, it will be considered as the resistance point for the future thing. So this is what is the concept of support. The buyers will take the market up from here and sellers will throw it down. But at one given point, the buyer's strength will be so strong that it will just wipe out the sellers. And that is the time you break the resistance. It is just like a ping pong ball है. अगर आप उसको मारो, ऊपर छत से जाके बजेगी, नीचे आएगी, फिर ऊपर जाएगी. ज्यादा जोर से मारोगे, अगर तोड़ के ऊपर चलेगी, then it will the first floor की roof और उसके floor के बीच में it will keep on bouncing. So how to mark support and resistance? So the first cardinal rule was it is the higher time frame which is most important. Higher time frame will be respected more as compared to shorter time frame. So this is a monthly chart of Nifty. So what you do is mark the highest point you can see here. When you're doing in weekly and monthly, number of counts are not important. But when you come to daily and 4-hourly, then at least 3 times it should have taken an upward movement and then come down. I will teach you that part also. And you mark it here. So practically this is where the body of all the three candles come. The highest point is where your last wick has been there. The last point of any of the 3 wicks. And these are the bodies which it is touching. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Should I carry? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For somebody who is seeing it, कोई एक छोटा सा कप एंड हैंडल बन रहा है ना मंथली टाइम फ्रेम में.
Yes, sir.
अब ऐसे ही मैं नीचे मार्क कर रहा हूं. I will mark the bodies where it is touching. Okay, I will repeat again. So don't worry, Hari sir, I will be repeating it in such a way that you will have no issues in marking support and resistance at least. And then you mark the lowest point you see it. When you are marking, resistance, highest point, and highest close. This should be multiple. They should be multiple, at least 2 or 3. Even on higher time frame, it should be at least 2 or 3. For support, lowest point, lowest open, sorry. It is the lowest open, or you can say lowest close, whatever it is, oblique close. And this should be also multiple times. You can take 2 or 3, whatever it is. Now what happens is, this is the lowest wick, this is the wick, this is the wick, this is the wick, this is the wick. Why I didn't pick up this wick, I will teach you later on. This is an important point. You take only the recent data. You can take a screenshot of it because we'll keep on moving from here only. So first thing is your higher time frame is to be done. For resistance, you have to use the highest point and the highest close, or whatever you can say open, you can call it, because in a red candle, you may have an highest point as an open multiple times. So either close hua tha, this is the open, this is again the close. This is the highest wick we have. So we have marked it on the wick and we have practically made 3 bodies to be touched. Then on the lower side, this is the candle which lowest point we have taken because this is the recent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost in a year's time, this is the lowest point I have seen. So this is a monthly time frame. So I have picked up this one. Now, where are the candles recently? Most of the time it has closed this one and this one. So I have marked this point. Now we'll move from here to the lower time frame. If there is a movement, the monthly will move the slowest out of all of them because it will take 25 days to practically make a support and resistance. For marking high or low, the wick is to be taken in consideration. What is the high and the low? The second line is always by candle close or open. And it should be multiple times, at least twice. Third most important part is don't go too much into the history. When you are specifically on the monthly time frame, you should not try. If you are getting the data within 6 months, good. Maximum stretch it till in a year. Don't go beyond 1 year. Because then it's in history. Nobody remembers that. People remember this point as very important point. So these are some cardinal rules of marking the things on a monthly time frame. Now, till now, everything is clear to everybody. Any issues?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Hari sir, it is clear to you. आपको समझ आ गया sir? Hari sir, have you understood it? Okay, done. Now you come down to one step lower. And what are you seeing now? Your all levels you had marked properly are being respected. Just move this line little bit up because you are having two candles closures touching at this point. And what did you see here? These are the 2 points where the candles, some kind of movement is happening. This is where you are seeing that the buying strength suddenly decreased because आपकी memory में ये set है कि यहाँ से selling आ सकती है. So this is where the price action is coming into the play. If it closes tomorrow this way down, we may see coming up till this point. Very clear. No ifs and buts into it. If it doesn't, it closes up here, this whole pattern becomes nullified. And then you have to wait for another candle to form. That too on a weekly basis, not on a daily time frame. I'm talking of a weekly time frame. अगर आप इनको blend करते हो, ये high है, ये open है, ये close है. अभी तक आपका एक inverted वो type का वो hammer type का बन रहा है, which is showing a selling pressure. If next week we see a good red candle out here, we are heading for this target. So let's mark this point. So ठीक है line ये? Anybody?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
It is
let's go
touching
by our
many
rules
bodies.
is 2 bodies, 3. We are having this as a resistance body. This also we are touching, and this is almost the lower part. Now let's decrease one time frame down more. Now you place your next line according to your chart. Now what are you seeing here?
Multiple support.
Multiple candles at a probable resistance level of the previous swing. And it broke, and this became the resistance for it. And now we are seeing some pressure out here on the resistance side. So you may see it coming little down, and then it may come. I don't know. I don't want to predict that part at least. But this is the likely scenario, what it is going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow we may see some green candle or maybe a red candle. I don't know. I'm not bothered about it because my projection is telling me at this point, lot of things happened, like it happened here, and then market went up. So this will become support once a daily candle comes here and closes here. Till then, this is the resistance for us. This is the support for us. I'm sure 50% of you have not got how to mark support and resistance. I'm being very honest on it. सब मोबाइल पे देख रहे हैं, तो I will come with even a simpler method than this. So now I will ask you to mark for Bank Nifty. What is the highest point we are seeing? This one.
Yes.
And where are the 3 bodies? Almost here? No, we will place this. This is the current month body, no? This is the current month, November. And where is the support line? Support is lying.
53.
Yeah, perfect, ma'am. Now let's come and decrease the time frame. कुछ नजर आ रहा है अब आप लोगों को? सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस समझ आ गया?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
What is Bank Nifty trying to do?
Trying to break.
Yes. If it goes above 58,500, we are going to see a big breakup upside. If it comes down, we are going to see this level. We may see this level. We may not see. That all depends what happens at the price. So you need to understand how to mark support and resistance. You can very well, somebody can just place the, like here. Breakout हो गया ना? किसी ने मुझे ये क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं पूछा?
गैप फिल कब करेगा गैप वाला?
गैप को छोड़ दो सर, अभी गैप को छोड़ो, मैं गैप पे भी बात.
Sir, because this is daily time frame, a smaller time frame.
Yes. Now let me come down onto this part. Yes. We took this candle into consideration. So mark your, this is your height. This is the place is your resistance. The bodies of the three candles which are touching here. On a weekly time frame, we will bring it down and touch according to this body. This body. This is our candle, which is important to us. And we'll move this zone slightly up. This is the maximum you should do once you are marking support and resistance. This is a standard marking. Now clear? आप समझ आया सर कि नहीं आया? इसको और कैसे सिंपलीफाई करो? चलो छोड़ो. लाइन चार्ट पता है आप सबको? There is something known as line chart. ठीक है? अब हमने क्या करना है? हमने लाइन चार्ट को वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे लेके आना है. ठीक है? जब हमने लो मार्क करना है तो हमने we have to mark it. What we have to see when we are marking the low, or we can say support, we'll mark the low plus close of the candle. And when we are marking the resistance, we are marking high and close. So we are marking these 2 points. Now we'll mark it using that only. Whenever you put your cursor onto this line chart, there is a word known as settings coming. So what I'm going to mark is close. So where I'm seeing a close, sharp close is this point, and I'm seeing one sharp close somewhere around about here. I don't know. No, sorry. This is the close what we are seeing is a sharp one. There is a sharp movement from here. Same way, we are seeing a sharp movement from at this level. So we'll just mark it here. Now again, go put your cursor there. Go to settings. From close, choose it high. So now we are only going to mark the highest point what we are seeing. And this is one highest point we have seen previously. So we'll mark it separately because this may be a breakout levels. अब हम नीचे आएंगे. अब हमने सपोर्ट की दूसरी लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. तो we will just mark it the low. And अब हमारी लो के पॉइंट्स हो गए. ठीक है, मैंने ऊपर में हाई एंड क्लोज चूज किया. क्लोज दोनों में सेम है तो मैंने एक लाइन क्लोज की ड्रॉ कर दी, एक हाई की ड्रॉ की ऊपर, एक लो के की. I convert the chart to this thing. Magic. Magic?
Yes. Wow. Simple.
अब आप उसको डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे कन्वर्ट करो। यही थी फोटो बनाई थी मैंने। मैंने यही फोटो बनाई थी। मैंने यही कहा था ये ब्रेकआउट के बाद है। दिस पॉइंट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, हाउ टू मार्केट। अगर आपको समझ नहीं कुछ आ रहा है, एनीबडी कैन शेयर मी एनी शेयर ही वांट्स, एनीबडी, any share you want.
Sir, I have a doubt in this. Can I have a line chart, sir, on a weekly basis, sir?
Done.
Sir, when you said the closing, sir, when it's gone for setting as closings, close, sir, high close, sir.
No, I will just write it so that you don't forget it. What
Yes,
we
sir.
are marking at resistance
Yes, sir.
and what we are marking at support.
And also, can you indicate the support resistance of PLF?
So first we will go and mark the close, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
So what we will do is, where we are seeing a sharp close, here, sir,
Yes, sir.
right? Where we are seeing a sharp close here, 2 points touching. This one, sir, 53,624.
Yes, that is what I wanted to ask you, sir. If we see, when you're saying for the lower point, you're taking 2 points. But usse pehle one more is there at the sharp, which is at
This one.
41.
Let's
I
mark
think.
it, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
let's mark it, sir. Let's mark it, sir. कोई issue नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Why we have not selected this, sir? That is what I wanted to ask you.
That is what is important is this is a flip level. This is the second part of the class which we will come is. So we will keep it marked. Now, sir, you will mark me with me this. We have marked the close. Now let me finish with you marking the resistance, sir.
Yes, sir. High end. Yes, sir.
High. So we mark this point as high, and
Yes, sir.
this
And the upper.
we have kept as a flip level. This is a separate level, sir. This
Right,
is the
sir.
main level. Okay. Now we will mark the low of the second line of for our support.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir?
Yes,
And
sir.
we'll mark one line here also for your reference.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir?
Yes,
Should
sir.
I
Yes, sir.
convert it into a normal chart?
Yes, sir.
ऊपर जाएगा तो स्विंग लेते जाएगा. सो नीचे से
Yes,
ऐसे
sir.
थोड़ी ऊपर भागेगा. तो यहाँ पे उसने
Yes, sir.
स्विंग भाग गया ऊपर. सो ये आपका फ्लिप लेवल्स हो गए.
Okay, sir.
These are the flip levels.
Yes, sir.
अब समझ आ गया फ्लिप लेवल भी साथ में हो गया आपका.
Yes, sir.
अब हम इसको डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे करते हैं. एंड सर ने बहुत अच्छा मार्क कर दिया है हमारे लिए, सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस बना दिए. इवन दो देयर वाज अ कैंडल हियर, दिस इज सपोर्टेड हियर, और यहीं से मार्केट ऊपर गई है. सो दिस इज योर फ्लिप रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, ये फ्लिप रेजिस्टेंस है. जिस दिन इसको तोड़ेगा ये ऊपर भाग जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए, जैसे यहाँ पे नहीं टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, सो थोड़ी देर टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं देखने के लिए व्हाट इज हाउ द मार्केट इज बिहेविंग, एंड देन इट विल रन अवे. नाउ आई वांट एनी वन मेंबर टू कम फॉरवर्ड अगेन. एनी मेंबर टू कम फॉरवर्ड. मैं कोई एक स्टॉक वो ही अपना मुझे बताएगा, मैं उसी स्टॉक पे हम मार्क करेंगे. स्टेट बैंक मत बोलना यार, स्टेट बैंक मत बोलना.
Graphite.
Graphite. Okay, fine. We'll go for graphite. I don't see graphite, so that is one thing is you can be dead sure is. ओ बाप रे बाप, मैंने तो इसमें सारा मार्क किया हुआ है. Okay. Sir, what do you want us to mark first? Support or resistance?
Support.
Okay, so support, we have the low points coming. Should I mark this or this?
Yes, sir. Left side, sir.
This one?
Yes. Yes, sir.
or this one?
Support is the first point. The first one, what is correct, sir?
Why first one, sir? Why not this one?
Monthly, no, sir.
Excellent, excellent, sir. So we will just pull this line down, and now we will convert this line into the close. This is your point, sir,
Yes, sir.
and this is your one support level coming.
Yes, first support.
Resistance, sorry.
Resistance, sir.
This is your next resistance level coming. A flip level, you can call it.
Yes.
Now we convert it into the marking the second line. So is the high. And I will just place this line here.
Yes.
This is of no consequence. Now, should I convert it to a normal chart?
Yes.
Done, sir?
Yes, sir.
अब तो सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. यहां से गया, अब यहां तक जाएगा and it will stop back. If it breaks, then it will go for the next levels.
Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, now this part is done.
Clear.
Okay. Now we will do it on graphite itself. If a stock is going up and coming back down to the same point, and there is you can find a substantial time. It can be any time. This support will become crucial. So the length of the horizontal line of the support and the resistance increases its significance. Please hear me out. जितनी लंबी ये लाइन होगी, chances उसके respect होने के ज्यादा होंगे. The shorter the line is, the lesser are the chances it will be respected. It may bounce back. These are known as confirmatory support and, or you can say more, you can say substantial support and resistance. These are called the flip levels, like these one. This is, it formed base here, it came and touched here. So these are three candles which are, so this is a flip level. This is also a flip level. It should have gone up till here. It never respected this. It went up, came down, went up. This is again a flip resistance, came down like this. So you have to understand what is a flip level. Flip is always a shorter length support or resistance, like this, like this. These are flip levels. So it may go up, stay here, come down, go up. Again, it stayed here. It didn't go up, no, it went up. So now this level will become important. So flip levels are on the larger time frame seen where the stock halts for some time. And it is, nobody is knowing which way it is going till a big fish comes and takes it up. मतलब जब तक कोई बड़ा खिलाड़ी बीच में नहीं आता है तो ये सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस का जो गेम होता है ये फ्लिप लेवल पे ही होता है. यहाँ पे एक्चुअल कोई लेवल नहीं है. ये एक फ्लिप लेवल एक मेमोरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कि नहीं यहाँ से इसको सेल पड़ सकती है एंड फिर वो यहाँ से नीचे आ जाता है. these are usually part of the bigger waves. तो जहां पे हम कहते हैं लोअर लो या लोअर हाई, हायर लो, हायर हाई बन रहा है, वो ऐसे ही बनते हैं जब वो फ्लिप लेवल्स को काटते हैं. ये दिस विल ओनली कम विद एक्सपीरियंस टू यू. इट विल नेवर बी like as I do not trade on flip levels. I'm being very honest. Flip levels I only take when I'm doing a covered call. Otherwise, I will not take it. And for some kind of stocks, I do take flip levels, like specifically when I'm doing in some stock like Bajaj Finance. For me, Bajaj Finance forming a flip levels is the most important indication that it will move up. So I wait for these kind of flip levels to come where it is stopping for a while, though there is no support and resistance there. So let's go and mark Bajaj Finance. One of the stock which is, we will mark this area. this area, because this is a breakout stock for me. So once it's a breakdown, I want it to come down at this level and then it should go. Where it will come, I don't know. For me, Bajaj Finance is heading towards 1200. Please pardon me. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm not giving a guarantee. Something I said about State Bank, where everybody had an opinion that it will fall and I had an opinion that it will go up. I hope you all remember it. I had said it in an open webinar. State Bank ऊपर जाएगा ही जाएगा जो मर्जी हो जाए. And same was for the Varun beverages. Two stocks I had said it very convincingly that they will go up. And I'm sir. हाँ जी हितेश जी.
अंबर का पूछ रहा था.
Sir, we are not discussing any personal stocks right now.
Okay,
If you
sorry.
and then you want to mark and support resistance, let's come and मैं आप ही से करवा लेता हूँ. आपको याद भी हो जाएगा sir. So this is the monthly chart of Amber Enterprises. And what we have here is my settings में क्या है? We have the high. So we will mark the resistance first. Sir, which line should I draw? This point?
Yeah.
This point. Okay, I mark this. I mark this point also, sir. And for the timing, I will keep this point also. I may change the line after I see the close part is. So, Hitesh ji, next कब क्या करना है इसमें? हाई करना है, हाई के बाद क्या क्लोज करना है कि लो करना है?
Sorry, I couldn't skip this.
Oh, hi. Close लेना है.
Close लेते हैं sir. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I will shift my line to this place.
Okay.
Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
And this I will place it here. This is the support, right, sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now let's go down and mark here the lowest point of the low, the support.
Okay.
कहाँ पे है सर?
नीचे.
ये रहा आपका. इसमें सपोर्ट है ही. इसमें आपको कैंडलस्टिक पे ही आना पड़ेगा to mark it. And now let's convert it into your chart.
Yeah.
ये तो इसका flip level आ गया सर. This is your level for on the weekly time frame. That is how you draw your support and resistance lines.
Yes, sir.
So now you know what is happening is at this level is that it is at resistance that has come down into the zone. Let's wait to let it enter here or it will come down here.
Okay.
Anybody wants to try any of his stock?
Sir, embassy developments.
Embassy. I've never heard. Oh, चलो आप ही शुरू करो सर. क्या करते हैं लाइन में? आपके अकॉर्डिंग बनाते हैं. ये हमारा लो मार्क हुआ है. This is the low chart. Should I mark it here or I should mark it here?
The first one.
This one.
On monthly.
Okay.
The first one for monthly.
Converting to close. This one or this one, sir? We'll mark this one.
Left one.
Left one. And we have one level here.
One at the top.
Very, very good level out here. Now we convert it to marking the high also. And I'm looking at the highest point which I'm going to see is. So ठीक है, levels mark.
Okay.
This is your flip level. So this is your good support and support area. If it runs, this is the first level where it will find a good selling. And the next selling will come here.
Okay.
Now everybody in the chat box, I'm posting a link. Copy it right now. This is to find out stocks which are forming double bottom formation on a weekly time frame. So the first stock which we are going to learn for marking support and resistance is Tech Mahindra. Anybody remembers this pattern discussed? This is cup and handle. Ma'am said it. It's a cup and handle. This was discussed in one of the webinars. And this is your target. Proven on a cup and handle. This is what was happened to Tech Mahindra, and it touched that level and came down. So now I'm just taking it off. I don't want to do it. Now what is happening in Tech Mahindra? Anybody can tell me? Anybody wants to mark support and resistance in it? We'll mark it on candlestick itself.
Flip level ready है.
सर ये है कि थोड़ा सा नीचे कर लो. ये नीचे बॉडीज आ गई 1 2 3 4 और ये विक्स है जो हम मार्क कर लेते हैं. सॉरी मैंने 3 टाइम फ्रेम में ले लेते हैं. या तो बहुत ऊपर चले. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's be very clear. When we are marking it, we mark it within principle. And ये तो बहुत नीचे है. ये तो false wick है. How we'll decrease it to a weekly time frame. Now just adjust your lines little bit so that it looks little convincing. This is too much lower down, but ठीक है, you have to understand it. This is the level which lowest it touched, came back into this level. This is the point where it is facing resistance. It is coming down. Is it a double bottom formation on a weekly time frame?
Almost.
Anybody
clear.
can? Yes.
Forming, sir.
This is 1. This is 2, 3. Is it a double bottom formation? Double, triple, whatever you say. Once you are looking at the bottom, see always the data here. This bottom doesn't carry much significance because it had broken down. And then it has come up. And it's the first time coming to retest this area. Once it's coming to retest this area, you have to see what happens here. This is a weak support. This is a weak support because it had been broken once and it has gone up. Don't count this as a double support because it has come in the scanner. It is there in the scanner, na? Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra है उसमें. Here is Tech Mahindra. The scanner is giving you a link for almost last 15-20 days. And that is what is the difference between a scanner and you assessing it. उसने इसको भी एक वीक काउंट किया, इसको भी 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 किया. You have to understand it कि this is not the correct levels to enter into Tech Mahindra. ये concept आप आगे जाके सीखोगे. So don't jump into any trade because it has come in a scanner. Any other stock you want to pick up from the scanner is. You pick up and I will tell you. Dr. Reddy's? और सिप्ला, लेट्स पिक अप सिप्ला। किसी ने मुझसे
सिप्ला।
सिप्ला पूछा नहीं था ग्रुप में। सिप्ला तो मेरा चलो बना हुआ है, तो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी दैट इज स्टैग्नेंट आउट हियर ओनली, बट देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी ग्रेट हैपनिंग इन सिप्ला। Sipla is respecting this level like anything. Now you see the candles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 candles coming in a very short succession. If you just move it up like this and keep it like this and shift to the daily time frame. ठीक है सर, समझ आया कि नहीं आया? नहीं आया तो I will repeat it again. I will repeat it again. I doubt कि आप में से किसी को ये बात समझ आई होगी. So let's go and remove it, drawing this. Now let's go to Sipla, what is happening in a monthly time frame. Highest point is this one, sir, right? This is the point where the most of the bodies are touching, the highest point where the bodies are closed or open. This is the lowest point we have seen. This is the place where the most of the two bodies are touching. Now I will convert it to the weekly time frame. Just shift a little down here so that the bodies are touching, the maximum bodies are cut. सर समझ आया अब? सर समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you need to mark your support and resistance properly. So Sipla is maybe a good stock for a swing trade. Sipla may be a good stock for the swing trade purpose. This point is important. It came to this level, had a selling, and it had thrown down. So this level is important because it has started forming the small candles. Now from here, if we have a candle formation, it will go up. Now let's start blending these 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the high point. This is the open. This is the close. And what is the low point? Is this one. So क्या बनता है sir? Anybody can? This is the high point.
So W.
This is नहीं W नहीं बनता. और ये हमारा क्लोज है. So ये कैंडल बनी है.
Josie.
Spinning top.
Spinning top. What do you call it? This is your, this thing is, and from here a candle closes and it goes up. An indecisive candle in over 5 days. Where it has formed? On your support. Now we go and see the other way also. So this is your support level. So this has come. So this is your first candle, second, third, fourth, and fifth. You can take 3 or 5, whatever. Open is here. Close is here. What happened? An indecisive candle, and it's going up. Okay. Ma'am, wick है ना ऊपर, तो hammer नहीं बन पाएगा. So it is a kind of a spinning top you have, which are indecisive candles. मतलब यहाँ पे now the sellers and the buyers are in a doldrums. What is to happen? And then you see for a one candle which closes up and then it starts moving up. Avoid taking on after a big candle because it can be a trap also. So if there is a one good small candle here, you can take the trade, keeping the low of this a little below it as your stop loss and take it the trade. So that is how support and resistance are marked. अब ये कैंडल को देखो, ये ओपन है, ये क्लोज है. क्या बन गया मैम?
Hammer.
Hammer, sir.
हैमर फ्लाई, डायगोनल फ्लाई, व्हाटएवर इट इज. और कहां गया? ऊपर. अब आप इनको कर लो, 5 को जोड़ लो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open here, close here. क्या बना चढ़ने से पहले? Dragonfly.
Yes.
What is coming here? High, open, close. Indecisive range. So we may see if a candle closes somewhere around about here tomorrow, a little high of this thing, we may see supply going up. Till then, we don't see a kind of these two patterns over 4 or 5 days. हम इसको नहीं ट्रेड करेंगे, हम आराम से बैठेंगे. अब सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस समझ आना शुरू हुआ कैंडलस्टिक के साथ.
Yes, sir.
जी सर.
अब किसी को डाउट है? दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इफ यू मिस दिस, आप आगे कभी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. 90% price action is this only. How you mark support and resistance, how you blend the candle. Now let's pick up any stock you want me. मैं आपका नहीं, अपनी choice. ये देखिए
Sir, Coal India.
Sir, L&T.
L&T अच्छा स्टॉक है. I like L&T a lot. मुझे L&T बहुत पसंद है. ये मैंने मार्क किया था. I missed it here. And
सर
I was
मैंने L&T पे आपका रेड कैंडल वाला किया है.
अब देखते हैं L&T में
Good
क्या
stock
हो
है.
रहा है. चलो ये लास्ट मंथ का तो हम छोड़ देते. ये हमारा दिस इज आर maximum candles body touching here, and this is the high point of it. This is the practically this is the low point, and we have a low coming up till here like big. Why I picked this low? Why didn't I pick this low candle closing? Anybody?
Sir, it is cutting 4 bodies and on
No.
monthly
ये क्या है मैडम?
falls है.
Totally buyer zone.
Okay.
Long wick. Long
Yeah.
wick याद है?
जी जी. Yes, sir.
अब इसको आप टाइम फ्रेम पे करो. अब आप इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे ले आओ एंड जस्ट प्लेस इट लाइक दिस. अब हम इसको लेट्स स्टार्ट डिकोडिंग इट. कहां से कौन सी कैंडल करनी है? ऐसे नहीं, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग नहीं. हम ये वाली क्या कर लें? 4-5 कैंडल्स. ये 5 करें. ये 5 में कुछ नहीं बनता. 1 हियर ओपन, दिस इज द क्लोज. ये तो पूरी बड़ी रेड कैंडल बन रही है. कोई बाइंग का अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू विल नेवर एंटर इनटू इट. इट वेंट अप, केम डाउन. बट आप इन दोनों को अगर ज्वाइन करो इसी लेवल पे जो बने, दिस इज योर ओपन, दिस इज योर क्लोज. ये बिग ग्रीन कैंडल आउट है एंड वहां से स्टॉक आपका ऊपर भाग गया. अब यहां पे क्या हो रहा है? ये हाई है आपका, ये ओपन है, ये क्लोज है. ये उल्टा बन गया है क्रेवस्टोन डोजी. Now this is an important. If a candle close below it, the chances of it coming down lower is very high. So once you are doing support and resistances, if you blend it with your candlestick, your success rate will come up very high. Your success rate will come very high. It is not a foolproof thing. If you flip a coin, the chances of head or a tail coming is 50%. So you can buy or sell a stock, your chances of being without any analysis, you will be 50% right. But if you add something else like support and resistance, the chances of your success increases by 10 to 15% more. It will never cross 70-75%, whatever may come. But even if you're 60-65% correct in your selected stocks, you will always make money. Now, anybody on there, somebody said Coal India. Let's go and do it Coal India. कौन करेगा Coal India यार, please? Anybody who is going to do Coal India with me? आसान है. अरे ये तो बहुत मुश्किल स्टॉक. Now see what is happening in Coal India is. इसको कहते हैं हम एक बहुत नैरो जोन में ये ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. I will place it here. This is the recent, these are monthly candles. For the last 6 candles, this is the best levels we can get as. Same as for the resistance part is. That is in a very narrow range. Extremely compressed stock. Extremely compressed stock. Just move this line little higher up. This is the level. इसमें तो कुछ major होने वाला है. This is again a major stock which is showing some major kind of a movement may happen. This is your support level. It has again come on its support level, coming very close to it. Let some candles form like this here. 1, 2, and 3. This is the open of the first candle. This is the close. So what forms? What does it form? This is the close. This is the open. ये क्या बन गया? और ये ऊपर भाग गया. अभी कैंडल क्या है? Indecisive है. Let it form couple of green candles out here. फिर आराम से ट्रेड लेना. उससे पहले मत लेना ट्रेड. ये स्टॉक अच्छा है. आप इधर देखो. ये रेड आया. इसके बाद एक ग्रीन आया. ये ओपन, ये क्लोज. This was here. अब next 3 candles देखो. This is the open. This is the close. And this is it. And it went up.
Sir,
So,
does this make a good candidate for low VWAP buying?
please come again, sir.
Does this become a good candidate for low VWAP buying because it is coming in the zone?
Let the couple of candles form here, sir, like this.
Okay.
3 candles, good green candles. It should form here somewhere around put here. And then take it and keep this as your stop loss, or maybe the lower of your the lowest mode point, just 1 or 2 rupees below it, and then take the trade. Try it on any of the stock. You just do it on a paper trade basis. You know you can do paper trade here. This is the point, you can do paper trade.
Okay.
I do a lot of paper trades. Now let me show you. And at present, this is my profit which I had made it in Bitcoin and all that stuff. I keep on doing a lot of paper trades. So this is my profit in the Bitcoin, paper trades, not in actual. So this is the kind of classes sometimes I take for overseas. My nephew's batchmates, keep on taking it. So I take with them. And then we do a short trades, very short trades. So I think so support and resistance is understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the last stock which we are going to take is ICICI Bank. So this was the flip level. It has broken down the flip level. See, I marked it specifically as the flip level because the horizontal distance between these two were not much. And I didn't have a confirmation candle out here. So I marked it as a flip level. And what happened? It is broken down. Why did it come down?
Shorter.
Just
Base is
open,
shorter.
close. Done? ये भी तो dragonfly बन रहा है practically. Where did the candle close below above it? It closed below it. So this level was a dangerous level for me. So this was the flip level. Actual level is somewhere around about here. Now there is a candle which has gone down. So if tomorrow it doesn't come up, my chances of taking trade on will be little doubtful in ICICI Bank, because it may come down to this level, 1300 level. And this is a long wick on a monthly time frame, long sellers active. So this level is a very important level. सर अब वो flip level समझ आया आपको? Why that level was dangerous for me? This was that flip level, huh? This is how I marked it when I was looking at the stock. Now you see, this was that flip level. Moment it started coming down, it will come down a bit. Now the most important level becomes for me is this zone. So once you go and start practicing your support and resistances, you will understand many things yourself. The charts will tell you the story themselves. So just pick up 5 or 6 stocks and just see them left and right. Don't pick up penny stocks, please. Don't pick up penny stocks. Pick up something very good. Reliance, Bajaj Finance, Maruti, L&T, Ultratech. These are good stocks. Or you can do Nifty, Bank Nifty, PSU Nifty. You can do anything which is good. And mark support and resistance. And practice them very properly. Then only you are going to understand it. Nobody can teach you support and resistance easier than this. Always remember a shorter distance of support is for a short duration only. If it breaks, it breaks. Now this is also a short duration for me. It has broken down. Now what is important level is? And I was saying this level. Now if it comes here, then this level is a strong level for us. It's a strong level for us.
Sir, can you go on weekly in this? तो इसमें सर आपका जो ये पॉइंट है विच इज आई मीन जहाँ पे अभी ये है
ये वाली बात.
हाँ यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें इफ यू गो टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लिया है इट हैज गॉन अप वंस तो कैन वी टेक दैट एज अ लेवल आल्सो
Okay, let's go and do it this way only. Let's go ahead and do it in this way only. So we'll only mark high of this points. No? We need high and close. Okay, this is the high. We are marking this point, sir. Okay.
Right.
Done, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. And I'm converting it into it.
नीचे गया उस पे
सर वो इतना मार्क मैंने कर लिया है ना कि मुझे वहीं से आइडिया हो जाता है कहाँ घूमने वाले हैं. सर इसको कहते हैं कि आई डोंट नीड ए लाइन चार्ट टू डू इट. वो इतना घुट घुट के मैंने इसको सीख लिया है कि वो आंखों वैसी देख के पकड़ लेता है.
राइट.
ये लेवल सर मार्क माय वर्ड्स. अब इसके बाद जब गैप आएगा ये गैप भरने तो 100% नीचे आएगा. अब ये आ गया गैप भरने. अब किसी ने गैप की बात की थी और गैप के बाद स्टॉप एक यहाँ पे है. दिस इज द फ्लिप लेवल. ये छोटा सा है. अगर यहाँ नहीं रुका 100% यहाँ रुकेगा. अगर आईसीआईसीआई बैंक आपको 1100 1200 के पास मिलता है जितना उठा सकते हो सर उठा लेना. इट विल बी वन ऑफ द वेरी गुड बायस. आपको नहीं मिलेगा ये मोस्ट लाइकली ये फ्लिप लेवल से ही भाग जाएगा. इतना नीचे तो उनको भी पता है सब बैठे हुए हैं. ये यहीं से भाग जाएगा. ये डिफरेंट होता है हाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड द साइकोलॉजी बिहाइंड इट. इज अ बिग स्टॉक. They know everybody is sitting here. So they will make it turn it from here. तो ये हो सकता है नीचे आएगा फिर भाग जाएगा ऊपर. हो
तो
सकता है
इसी में एज ए
they may
कॉन्स्टेंट
pull it back tomorrow here itself. It is just 40 rupees. It will bring it here and then they will take up. So this whole area understanding is most important. What happens here? What kind of formation is there? We have to decrease our probabilities of losses and increase the probability of profits. ये बात समझनी बहुत जरूरी है सर हमारे लिए. आपने अपने लॉस की प्रोबेबिलिटीज कम करनी है और वो तब होगी जब आपके जोन मार्किंग परफेक्ट होगी. हाँ पवन सर थोड़ा डिफरेंट पढ़ाते हैं. आई डू एग्री ऑन इट. ही टीचेस ऑन अ डिफरेंट वे. आई टीच ऑन अ डिफरेंट वे. मैं डिफरेंट प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ. बिल्कुल डिफरेंट प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ. Let me stop the recording, otherwise it will become very big. So till now, any issues with anybody? Because then I will stop the recording. Because then we can go in offline discussion only. So almost
I
the
only had one doubt, although वो टॉपिक का पार्ट नहीं है, बट सपोर्ट के अगर if we talk about support resistance, I have seen some people also use a confluence type of mechanism, like blending these lines with the EMA as well, the moving averages also. तो उससे people sometimes they say कि आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया कि यहीं पे आपका EMA 10 या EMA 20 भी रुक रहा है, तो देयर आर चांसेस कि द स्टॉक कैन गो अप या डाउन. जैसे जो चार्ट्स ग्रुप में पोस्ट होते हैं उसके हिसाब से.
let me stop the recording here. We will discuss. I will just show you something which is offhand for everybody. Just wait. Because this will not